What's up, guys? Bobby's Backyard Autoworks here. Another day. Started really late today. What I'm going to start doing today is the flooring. I'm going to undercoat it. First, I'm going to degrease the whole floor, wash it out, and then I'm going to undercoat it. With this right here. For road noise, rust, everything. So I'm going to put that down first. Then I'm going to do the sides. And then I got some of this for sound deadening and for the flooring. Here's the flooring down here. Waterproof, everything. Pretty cool color. And then, like I said, I'm going to build a bench and then into a bed. So let's get to work. Alright, she's all nice and clean. Come back tomorrow, we'll check it out and all dry. What's up, guys? Another day here, Bobby's Backyard Autoworks. As you saw last night, I pressure washed all the whole back end of the van. So I already wiped it down. Got all the debris, so it's all cleaned up, everything wiped down, cleaned everything with alcohol. So now I'm going to start spraying the undercoating, sound deadening, and then put some more sound deadening on the sidewalls over here, sidewall over here, and then I'll just spray a little bit in here as much as I can, and in here as much as I can. But let's get to work. Alright, it's the next day. It's all dry. Pretty hard though. Came out pretty good. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is lay down the subfloor for the flooring. Got plywood right here, and then I got the 2x2s for framing so I can make the bench and the bed. And then, like I said, I think I showed you in another video, the flooring right here. And then the padding right there. And then whatever I have left over, I'm going to use on the side for some more sound deadening. So let's get to cutting the plywood. So that's why I don't mind this cut being that bad, because the 2x2 is going to come right here anyways. So I'm going to lay the 2x2s right now so I can lay down the foam for the wood. Well, not wood, but for the flooring, plastic waterproof flooring. So let's get those 2x2s installed. All right, that's going to end another Bobby's Backyard Autoworks. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.